Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to prepare one pot chicken and rice. Yeah, this rice is so delicious and it's easy to make. In your lazy days and you are thinking of what to cook up, just make this recipe. Yeah, so I started by marinating my chicken, and yeah, so this recipe, your marinate or the spices that you use to marinate with your chicken is gonna help with the flavor of the rice, if that makes sense. But you can use the ingredients I'm using in this recipe, or you can omit it altogether. But if you use it, you will just come back and thank me down in the description. So yeah, I added some sankofa seasoning. I added some oregano, some Italian seasoning, chicken and seasoning, onion and garlic powder. I added some paprika, some fresh herbs of course, and I added some olive oil. I'm gonna link all the ingredients down below if you want to check it out. And after adding the oil, you make sure you mix it very well to combine. And with the chicken, you can choose any chicken of your choice. Over here I used some drumstick, which I wanted a bone. You can use chicken breast, you can use wings, you can use even beef or any protein of your choice. Yeah, but I'll suggest you use the chicken. So after marinating it, I let it sit for 30 minutes to marry it off. Yeah, then I went ahead to sear it in the pan. This searing of the chicken helps to build up with flavors. Yeah, so after searing it, I'm gonna go ahead to put it in my air fryer to finish the cooking. You can use oven to achieve the same purpose, if that makes sense, and you can even omit it all together. So over here I had a very nice and golden brown seared, so I took out the chicken and continue with the cooking in my air fryer. After that, I went ahead to add some onions, and with these onions and a little bit of water, you'll be able to take out the crust from the pan, which is where the juices are. Yeah, so I added a little bit of butter. Then I'm gonna fry this onion until it's translucent. Then we'll continue with the cooking process. I fried it until the onion was translucent. Then I went ahead to add a little bit of my all-purpose stew. Yes, as I mentioned, I always say this all-purpose stew is life-save. Like, it's very convenient to use, and you can use it in any of recipe that you want to do. Yeah, so I added the rest of the marinade from the chicken. Then I went ahead to add some of my all-purpose stew to it, and it's done. Yeah, stir everything to combine. Then I went ahead to add my rice. I'm gonna fry this rice for until it's toasty. Then I'll continue with the process. This rice smells so good at this point. I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, as you can see, it's been frying for a little bit and it's very toasty. So I went ahead to add some water to it and cover it to cook. Came back to check up on it, and it's looking amazing. My god, this house smells so good on this day. The chicken, juices, and yeah. I hope each and everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And if you've been watching me till now, please subscribe to your girl and like and share my videos. Yeah, so it's been cooking, and over here it's almost done, so I went ahead to add the chicken onto it, and the chicken looks so delicious and so juicy. Oh my god, it was crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. So after adding the chicken, I went ahead to add the juices from the chicken. Yes. And look at that. Just flipping it around and making sure everything looks good. This was so delicious and flavorful. Please try this recipe and comment down below. Yeah. Just checking it out, and it was ready. You can have it by its own, babe. I went ahead to add some fresh parsley to it for garnishing and to add more flavors, and I added some avocado and cucumber salad with some tomatoes, chopped up everything and some onions, and I added some salt and pepper with some olive oil, and this took it to the next level. Please try and let me know how you like it. Just look at that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Until my next one, stay safe. Bye.